Welcome to our journey through Gujrat, a vibrant city nestled in the heart of Punjab, Pakistan. So buckle up because in the next few minutes we're going to dive deep into the heart of Gujrat. Okay, history buffs, let's travel back in time. Gujrat isn't some new kid on the block. This city has been around for centuries, witnessing the rise and fall of empires. Founded way back in the 18th century, Gujrat bears the legacy of Mughal grandeur, the resilience of the Sikh Empire, and the impact of British colonialism. One of the most iconic landmarks that stands as a testament to Gujrat's glorious past is the Gujrat Fort. Picture this: towering walls, intricate carvings, and a sense of grandeur that transports you back to the Mughal era. Walking through its arched gateways is like stepping into a time capsule. But Gujrat isn't just about grand forts and empires. It's also a city of artisans, renowned for their exquisite craftsmanship passed down through generations. Walk through the bustling bazaars and you'll be mesmerized by the intricate pottery, the delicate embroidery, and the vibrant hand-woven rugs. And speaking of artistry, let's talk about the intricate woodwork that Gujrat is famous for. From intricately carved doors to stunning furniture pieces, the craftsmanship is unbelievable. And don't even get me started on the pottery. So whether you're a history enthusiast, an art lover, or just someone looking for a unique and off-the-beaten-path travel destination, Gujrat has something for everyone. Alright, all you nature enthusiasts, this chapter is for you. Get ready to embark on a journey through some of the most breathtaking landscapes that Gujrat has to offer. We're trading in the bustling cityscapes for the serene beauty of Gujrat's natural surroundings. Here the air is fresher, the pace is slower, and the scenery is nothing short of spectacular. Think rolling hills, sparkling rivers, and a sky so vast it feels like you can touch the stars. It's a place where nature's grandeur is on full display, inviting you to pause and take it all in. First up, let's talk about the lifeblood of Punjab, the mighty Chenab River. This river is not just a geographical feature, it's a vital part of the region's identity. Flowing gracefully through the heart of Gujrat, the Chenab isn't just a river, it's a lifeline. It sustains the land and the people who depend on its waters. For centuries it has nourished the land, inspired poets, and provided a sense of tranquility to those lucky enough to live along its banks. The river's gentle flow is a source of peace and inspiration, but Gujrat's natural beauty isn't confined to its rivers. The region is a tapestry of diverse landscapes, each more beautiful than the last. Venture beyond the city limits and you'll find yourself surrounded by a picturesque landscape. It's a place where every turn reveals a new vista, more stunning than the one before. Rolling hills carpeted in emerald green, dotted with quaint villages, and framed by the majestic Himalayas in the distance. It's a scene straight out of a postcard. The nearby mountains and hills offer a playground for hikers, trekkers, and nature enthusiasts alike. Whether you're seeking adventure or simply a peaceful walk, there's something here for everyone, and for those who prefer a more leisurely pace. There are plenty of scenic spots, perfect for a picnic, a spot of bird watching, or simply soaking in the tranquility of nature. It's an ideal setting for relaxation and reflection. So whether you're an avid hiker, a nature photographer, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of the natural world, Gujrat's scenic splendor will leave you breathless. The region's natural charm is truly captivating. It's about reconnecting with nature, finding peace in its embrace, and appreciating the simple joys that it offers. In Gujrat, nature isn't just a backdrop. It's a way of life, inviting you to slow down and savor every moment. All right, folks, let's talk weather, because if you're planning a trip to Gujrat, you need to know what to pack. First things first, Gujrat has a semi-arid climate. Basically, it means you get the best of both worlds, hot summers and mild winters. Now, during those summer months, things can get pretty toasty, with temperatures soaring into the high 40s Celsius. But hey, who doesn't love a good dose of sunshine, right? Just make sure you pack light, breathable clothing, a trusty hat, and enough sunscreen to rival a lifeguard. And don't forget to stay hydrated. When in Gujrat, do as the locals do and sip on some refreshing lassi, a yogurt-based drink that's like a cool breeze on a scorching day. Now, as the summer heat begins to fade, Gujrat welcomes the monsoon season with open arms. From July to September, the skies open up, drenching the land in a much-needed downpour. And finally we come to winter, a time when Gujrat transforms into a cozy retreat. The temperatures drop to a pleasant level, perfect for exploring the city's historical sites, indulging in warm and comforting food, and snuggling up by a bonfire with a cup of hot chai. So whether you're a sun worshipper, a rain lover, or a winter enthusiast, Gujrat's diverse climate has something to offer everyone. Okay, fellow nature nerds, get ready to geek out because we're about to dive into the fascinating world of Gujrat's flora and fauna. This region is a treasure trove for anyone who loves the natural world, offering a unique blend of plant and animal life that you won't find anywhere else. This region is like a biodiversity hotspot, teeming with a rich variety of plant and animal life. From dense forests to open meadows, every corner of Gujrat is brimming with life. First up, let's talk trees. These towering giants are the backbone of Gujrat's ecosystem, providing shelter and sustenance to countless species. Forget your concrete jungles, Gujrat is all about those lush green canopies. These forests are a sanctuary for both flora and fauna, offering a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. From the majestic shisham trees known for their sturdy wood to the graceful eucalyptus swaying in the breeze, these trees provide shade, oxygen, and a whole lot of beauty. They are the silent guardians of this vibrant ecosystem, and if you're lucky, you might even spot some playful monkeys swinging from branch to branch. These mischievous creatures add a touch of liveliness to the serene forest atmosphere. Gujrat is also home to a colourful array of flowering plants and shrubs. These vibrant blooms not only add a splash of colour to the landscape, but also play a crucial role in the ecosystem by attracting pollinators. Imagine strolling through fields carpeted in vibrant mustard blossoms, their yellow hues painting the landscape in a sea of gold. It's like walking through a living painting. Or picture yourself walking through a fragrant jasmine garden, the air thick with the sweet scent of these delicate white flowers. It's a sensory experience that will leave you feeling rejuvenated. And let's not forget about the fruit trees. These bountiful trees are a source of nourishment for both humans and wildlife. Gujrat is known for its juicy mangoes, sweet guavas, and plump berries. These fruits are not only delicious, but also a vital part of the local diet and economy. Now let's move on to the fauna, because Gujrat isn't just about pretty plants. The region's wildlife is equally impressive and diverse. This region is teeming with wildlife, from the cunning jackals that roam the countryside to the sly foxes that dart through the undergrowth. These animals are masters of their environment, perfectly adapted to their surroundings. And if you're lucky, you might even spot a graceful deer grazing peacefully in a meadow. These gentle creatures are a symbol of the tranquility that pervades Gujrat's natural landscapes. But the real stars of Gujrat's wildlife scene are the birds. Their vibrant plumage and melodious songs add an extra layer of magic to this already enchanting region. This region is a haven for birdwatchers, with a diverse array of avian species gracing its skies. Whether you're an avid birder or a casual observer, the sight of these beautiful birds is sure to captivate you. So whether you're a seasoned botanist, a wildlife photographer, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of the natural world, Gujrat's flora and fauna will leave you in awe. It's a place where nature's wonders are on full display, waiting to be explored and cherished. Alright folks, it's time to talk about everyone's favourite topic, food, and today we're diving into the rich and diverse culinary landscape of Gujrat. And trust me, when it comes to culinary delights, Gujrat does not disappoint. This region is a melting pot of flavours, traditions and culinary techniques that have been perfected over generations. Get ready for a flavour-packed journey that will tantalise your taste buds and leave you craving for more. From street food to traditional dishes, Gujrat offers a gastronomic adventure like no other. Let's start with the star of the show, Punjabi cuisine. This cuisine is the heart and soul of Gujrat's food culture. Known for its rich flavors, generous use of spices and hearty portions, Punjabi food is a celebration of life itself. Each dish tells a story of tradition, family and festivity. And Gujrat, being a proud part of Punjab, takes this culinary heritage very seriously. The local chefs here are masters of their craft, ensuring every meal is a feast for the senses. One dish you absolutely cannot miss is the legendary biryani. This dish is a true testament to the art of cooking. Imagine fragrant basmati rice infused with aromatic spices, layered with tender meat or vegetables, and cooked to perfection in a sealed pot. The result is a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. And speaking of meat, Gujrat is famous for its succulent saji. This dish is a carnivore's dream come true. Picture this, a whole lamb seasoned to perfection with a blend of traditional spices and skewered on a giant spit over a bed of glowing coals. The slow roasting process ensures the meat is tender and juicy, but hold on, we're not done with the meat sweats yet. Gujrat's love for meat doesn't stop at saji. Gujrat is also known for its mouth-watering paye, a slow-cooked stew made with trotters. This dish is a comfort food staple, perfect for a hearty meal. Now, for all you vegetarians and veggie lovers out there, don't worry. Gujrat has got you covered. The vegetarian offerings here are just as impressive and flavorful. From creamy lentil dishes like dal makhani to flavorful vegetable curries, there's a vegetarian delight waiting to be discovered at every corner. The use of fresh local produce ensures that every bite is bursting with flavor. And let's not forget about the freshly baked naan bread, perfect for scooping up every last drop of those delicious curries. This bread is a staple in every meal, adding a comforting touch to the dining experience. And to end your culinary journey on a sweet note, you have to try Gujrat's famous sweetmeats. These traditional desserts are a perfect way to conclude your meal. So whether you're a die-hard foodie, a curious explorer, or simply someone who appreciates good food, Gujrat's culinary scene will leave you wanting more. The flavors, the aromas, and the vibrant food culture here are truly unforgettable. So we've explored the history, marveled at the nature, weathered the seasons, encountered the wildlife, and indulged in the flavors. Now, let's talk about why you should add Gujrat to your travel bucket list. Pakistan often gets a bad rap in the media, but let me tell you, it's a country of breathtaking beauty, rich culture, and incredibly warm hospitality. Gujrat embodies all of that and more. Imagine strolling through the bustling bazaars, the air thick with the scent of spices and the sounds of vendors hawking their wares. Haggling for that perfect souvenir, sipping on chai with locals, and experiencing the true meaning of Pakistani hospitality. Just a short drive away, you'll find yourself at the serene Kala Kahar Lake, a picturesque oasis surrounded by rolling hills. And for those seeking a bit of adventure, the nearby mountains and hills offer ample opportunities for hiking, trekking, and exploring hidden waterfalls. But Gujrat's true charm lies in its people. The locals are known for their warmth, their generosity, and their love for sharing their culture with visitors. So, whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, a foodie, or simply someone looking for an off-the-beaten-path adventure, Gujrat has something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Gujrat. From the bustling bazaars to the serene lakes, from the ancient forts to the delicious food, Gujrat has something to offer every traveler. So, what are you waiting for? Add Gujrat to your travel bucket list and experience the magic of Pakistan's hidden gem.